Anything AI app builder tutorial. So first of all, this is pretty much just a platform that lets you create a custom application using artificial intelligence. So you put in your description over here and it should just build it for you. So all that without needing deep coding skills. So with its intuitive interface, you can generate app layouts, features, and logic by simply describing what you want the app to do. So the AI assists in building screens, buttons, workflows, and even integrating data or APIs. So this makes it ideal for entrepreneurs, small businesses, or hobbyists who want to turn ideas into functional apps without spending months learning complex programming languages. So to use this, you can go ahead and start up by logging in. If you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. It's pretty fast. Just go ahead and put in your email address. So go to the login page and press the create your account option over here. And once that's done, you can choose whether you're building a mobile app, a web app, or dashboard. You can do that depending on what kind of idea you have, of course. So you can also put that as your details. So you can enter a description of your app idea. For example, you can build a task manager with reminders, user login, and a calendar sync. So the AI will generate an app prototype that you can customize. You can edit layouts, add features, set actions. You even have the option to upload images as a basis. You can also add integrations over here, but once you pretty much added your description or the details of what your app wants to be, then just go ahead and press on upload and they should start up with the process. So again, once you're happy with your design, you can publish or export the app for testing or deployment. The builder usually includes tutorials or templates and support to help you iterate quickly and refine your app in general. But just go ahead and explore as well. Try it out since it is mostly free, but there are upgrades to it as well. It pretty much depends on your preferences, but hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.